Welcome to GowerHour Nutrition. Question for today is, what about protein from collagen? WMD says, it's easy to understand the excitement. Protein is an important component in every cell in the body. Hair and nails are mostly made of protein. Your body uses protein to build and repair tissues. You also use protein to make enzymes, hormones, and other body chemicals. Protein is an important building block for your bones, muscle, cartilage, skin, and blood. But our body does not absorb protein. It breaks down protein to its building blocks, amino acids. Thus, our body absorbs amino acid, not protein. If you look at the mirror, you're actually looking at amino acids. So it's not about how much protein is in the shake, it's how many amino acids are provided. And the amino acid ratio needs to be balanced for the human body. Now, if your body doesn't get enough amino acids from your diet, then it will acquire them by breaking down tissue within the body, especially muscle. So what is collagen? Collagen is a connective tissue material in your body. It is found in your bones, joints, tendons, ligaments, skin, hair, and fingernails. This sort of holds everything together, providing flexibility and elasticity. The word collagen is derived from the Greek word kolla, meaning glue. It refers to the time when boiling the connective tissue or the hide of animals was the process by which glue was made. Animal lovers, please cover your ear. You might remember the old folk tale about sending the broken down old farm horses to the glue factory when they could no longer work. It was actually more of a truth than a tale. Basically the same process is used to extract collagen today, but they just don't make glue anymore. There are currently 28 different types of collagen that we know of. They are divided into a few different groups based upon the structure in which they're involved. The 5 most common are type 1 from skin, tendons, organ, and bones, type 2 from cartilage, type 3 from organs such as liver or the lymphatic system, type 4 is from membranes between the skin and the underlying tissue, and then type 5 is from cell surfaces, hair, and placenta. According to WMD, some types of collagen have known side effects when ingested. For example, type 2 collagen reported side effects including stomach problems, headache, dizziness, sleep disturbances, and hepatic or liver dysfunction. So where do collagen proteins come from? The vast majority of collagen protein on the market comes from the skin, connective tissue such as your cartilage, tendons, and ligaments, then hair and bones of animals. Some comes from eggshell membrane of chicken, some eggshell membrane, and also chicken feet and even fish skin. Generally, these sources are usually considered the waste products of the animal-based industry. Now, it doesn't make them bad, but it's worth knowing. Why would I want collagen protein? Well, hopefully you understand, especially athletes, high quality, complete dietary protein is important to obtain every day. Proteins are about the amino acids they contain, and the amino acids are the building blocks of life. Taking a close look at the amino acid content of a protein can tell you a lot about the potential value or quality of that protein. Collagen, like gelatin, is a nutritionally incomplete protein. Its protein quality score, or your BCAA, is equal to 0. It's also missing, which is very low, it's also missing one of the essential amino acids, which is tryptophan. The body needs tryptophan for normal growth and development, especially for infants, and nitrogen balance in adults. Tryptophan is also the essential amino acid the body needs to produce serotonin and melatonin, critical for sleep and mood stability. Collagen protein is not only incomplete, but it is also nutritionally imbalanced, with an overabundance of some amino acids and an absence or near absence of others. For example, there are 22 amino acids, and the number of configurations of amino acids in our body is taking that number raised to a power of its number, so 22 raised to a power of 22. The collagen protein lists about 16 to 18. We'll give it 18, so 18 raised to the power of 18. Now, if you do the math, or if kids do the math for you, you'll realize how much potential you're actually missing out on. The single amino acid glycine is the dominant amino acid in collagen, and it alone can account for up to 35% of the total content, and we're talking about imbalance. Collagen protein contains little or none of cysteine, which is closely related to cysteine, but it's involved in immune cell function, glutamine, important for recovery from injury, protection during chemotherapy and radiation, asparagine, which is required for brain development and function. Though promoted by some companies for muscle building, collagen proteins are relatively low in muscle building branch chain amino acids, which are your BCAAs. So where does this leave us? There's no doubt that getting all the amino acids you need each day is fundamental to our health. It is also true that certain amino acids play different roles in our body, either individually or synergistically with each other. Collagen, because it is a protein, contains some amino acids, but it also is terribly imbalanced, at least for humans, missing some of the amino acids while delivering very low levels of others and an overbalance of a few. While the amino acid and collagen protein are absorbed, they do not specifically reassemble as collagen in the body and tissues, meaning when you eat collagen, will not make more new collagen in your body. So the question really boils down to, no pun intended, why would I want to take a protein supplement that does not fulfill my body's overall protein and amino acids needs? And why would I want those amino acids to come from something typically thought of as leftovers in the food industry? Those are personal questions that each of us must answer ourselves. If you're looking for a protein, my suggestion, look for something with 22 amino acids, has essential vitamins and minerals, fiber, pre-digested so it doesn't mess up your kidneys, also has additional digestive enzymes, non-GMO, has a high BCAA or protein digestibility corrected amino acid score of 1 or greater, and also has a glycemic response control so it's not going to mess up your blood sugar. Hopefully this information was beneficial. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, please feel free to PM me. Also, follow me on YouTube at GowerHour Health and Wealth. Thanks for watching GowerHour, and have a great day.